Hello, dear children. Today we are going to start next chapter, Macbeth, which is written by William Shakespeare. So, William Shakespeare, he is the greatest writer and dramatist of all the times. He is adored by, means he was deeply loved by the people, million of people for his great work, and he is also known as the Bard of Avon, which means the greatest English poet over here. So, this present play, Macbeth, it is a tragedy which is which tells us the story of Macbeth, who was a great thane. Great thane means a man who has a rank above the common man in the court of Duncan, the king of Scotland. Lured by the prophecies of three witches, he was tempted by the prediction of the three witches. Three witches claimed that he would become a king one day, and also driven by the ambition of his evil wife, Macbeth. In these all conditions, what he did, he killed the good and kind King Duncan. He also killed Bank, who was another powerful king, powerful Thane of Scotland, and the family of Thane of Fife in order. So why he did all these? To remove all the obstacles to the greatly desired crown of Scotland. So for to get the crown of Scotland, he removed all these hurdles, the obstacle of his ways. However, the guilt does not let Macbeth and his wife rest in peace. The guilt of what? The killing of all these did not let Macbeth and his wife to sleep at night. So in the following scene, you will see here the Lady Macbeth, who was tormented by her conscience, means she was harassed by her moral sins. She walks in the sleep at night, rubbing her hands sometime and talking to herself. You will see the condition of Lady Macbeth over here. So here in the beginning, we are introduced with the characters. Three main characters are there in the scene: a doctor of physic who look after the people, and the gentlewoman, lady in waiting. So lady in waiting means attendant on those time they were quite well mannered. And Lady Macbeth, the wife of King Macbeth. So in the beginning of the scene is set in a castle. At the left side of the stage is an open doorway. Thick curtains are hung on a window near the doorway. In front of the window is a table with some flowers. At the right of the stage, there are few chairs around the table. A doctor enters the stage with a notepad. A woman standing in the middle of the stage. She keeps looking over her shoulder towards the open doorway. So the scene begins. How the scene begins here? The scene begins with the wording of the doctor. So here, doctor, I have 2 nights watched with you, but can perceive no truth in your report. What was it she last walked? So here in the beginning of the scene, the doctor was presented by a report. Okay, so report was there about Lady Macbeth and given by Lady Women. So what he said here, 2 nights, continuously from 2 nights he kept a watch over Lady Macbeth, but he could not perceive, could not become aware about the truth what is written there in the report. So he asked the lady, when was it she last walked? Gentlewoman, since His Majesty went into the field. His Majesty means here Macbeth. He has gone into the battlefield. I have seen her rise from her bed, through her nightgown upon her, unlock her closet, take forth paper, fold it, write upon it, read it afterward, seal it, and again return to bed. Yet all this while in the most fast asleep. So what is the condition of the Lady Macbeth here? What she does here, till the time when the time Macbeth has gone into the battlefield, she saw the Lady Macbeth rising from her bed, throwing her nightgown, and unlocking the closet, taking the paper from there, sometime folding, reading, writing, and afterwards sealing this paper, again return to bed. And this all she does in the sleeping condition only. So doctor, a great perturbation in nature to receive at once the benefit of sleep and do the effect of watching here. So here what he said here, disturbance, perturbation means disturbance in nature. Okay, so it is sometime like to receive at once two kind of benefits are there. So benefit of sleep also she is getting, and do the effect of watching in this slumbery agitation. Okay, in the disturbed state of sleeplessness, she does this kind of thing beside her walking and other actual performances. What at any time have you heard her say? So what he asked for means, beside walking and other actual performances, what at any time have you heard her say? What she speaks in those, in sleeping condition? Gentlewoman, that sir which I will not report after her. So she could not reveal that what she says in her sleeping. Doctor, you may to me, and it's the most meet you should. So what doctor suggested, you should tell me, because I'm a doctor, I must know everything, and it's most meet you should. Okay, and it is the most essential thing, you should tell me about what she speaks in the sleeping condition. Gentlewoman, neither to you nor anyone. So what the gentlewoman answered there, neither, she could neither tell the doctor nor the anyone, having no witness, because she had no witness to confirm my speech. Whatever she would say about the lady, she had no witness. Enter Lady Macbeth with a tapper. So in the meantime, when they both were talking, there was the entry of Lady Macbeth with a tapper, means a wax candle in her hand. Lo you, here she comes. This is her very guise, and upon my life fast asleep, observed her stand close. And Lady Macbeth, sorry, gentlewoman told her, in the meantime, here she comes. This is the very guise, this is only the usual appearance, and upon my life, and what he said, I swear, she is in fast asleep. Observe, she told her doctor to observe her, and by standing close near to Lady Macbeth. Doctor, how came she by that light? How she got that light? So doctor wanted to confirm from lady gentlewoman how she got that light. Why, it stood by her. So lady, for that gentlewoman answered there, it stood by her always. That is there near her bed. She has light by her continually. She has kept the light by her bed. It's her command. It's ordered by her. Doctor, you see her eyes open? And doctor told that his eyes are open. How can you say she is fast asleep? Gentlewoman, hey, but their sense is shut. Those her eyes are open, but her sense, okay, sense is shut, means her mind that is not working here. Okay, so eyes, they do not see, though the eyes are open, they could not see anything. Doctor, what is it she does now? Look how she rubs her hand. And at this doctor told what she does now. What was she doing now? And look, she was rubbing her, she is rubbing her hands. Gentlewoman, it's an accustomed action, it's her habitual action, daily action with her to seem thus washing her hands. I have known her continue in the quarter of an hour. So she was watching, the gentlewoman was watching her continuously from the quarter of an hour, that she was thus in this way rubbing. Sign shows that she was washing the hands. Lady Macbeth, yet here is a spot. And in the meantime, when they both were talking, Lady Macbeth, she started talking in the sleep only. And what she said, here is a spot, showing some sign over there. Doctor, hark, she speaks. Stop, look, she is speaking. I will set down what comes from her to satisfy my remembrance. Okay, so he hid himself. Okay, he hid himself, told gentlewoman that I'll set down what she comes from her. He wanted to listen by hiding on the side. So to satisfy my remembrance, so that I could remember, make sure that I could remember exactly the more strongly. Lady Macbeth, out, damned spot, out. I say 1, 2. Why, then it's time to dot. Okay, so here she was removing some spot from the cloth. In the fast sleep, she's washing and as well as removing some of the spot over here. Hell is murky. Fee, my lord, fee. A soldier and a feared. Okay, so here disgust, fear means disgusting sign when the it is used here, and murky means dark or gloomy. My lord, hell is murky, talking about the hell, very dark it is there, my lord. Fee, okay, a soldier and a feared, what need we fear, who knows it, and then none can call our part to account. Yet who would have thought the old man have to hurt so much blood in him? So who is the old man? The bank, okay, bank who was killed by Macbeth. So she at this time she is remembering how that man was killed and the spot of the blood of the old man that she was washing over there.